Welcome to Boss One Media. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. I still go by the name Bra Bosco Jr. In today's tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail account name without affecting your YouTube channel's name or changing your YouTube channel's name. Very simple. So you come to Gmail here, then you click on it. Just for wait for it to load and display. I don't have any email here, so yeah, at first it's Kwesi. If you see it here, Kwesi Sofo. I'm gonna change it to my real name. So you come to settings here, you click on it, see all settings, you hit on it. So as it display like this, language, phone numbers, others. So you come to accounts and import, you hit on it. Then you come to send mail as Afro John Bosco. So I'm gonna change it. Like you hit on edit. After you after you save changes, Afro John Bosco Jr. Send me as Afro John Bosco Jr. Okay, so let's refresh it for you to show or get taking effects. Okay. Send here. Okay. So Afro John Bosco Jr. Let me open my other email to show you the name. Or I'll click on here, search Young Jonathan. Yeah. So as you search it like this, yeah, Afro John Bosco, Afro John Bosco Jr. So I reply to myself. So thank you for your time. If you find something meaningful or something that you like, don't forget to like and share, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that we can get more time to upload more for you. Thank you for your time. Stay safe.